What up, people? It's part 3. We going into the woods. Try these ears, man. It's cold as ever right now. Wish it was hotter.
It's a snake hole. It's a rat hole. Listen, what's the name then?
What?
Coyote then. You know there's coyotes back there too.
We got coyotes up in there.
Oh, shit, I don't know.
The entry that way.
We don't know, man. We might die out here, man. We on the struggle. What the
What was that?
Say, man, my hands are freezing right now.
You went back here by yourself? No. Alan? You and Alan?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Tracy's.
I know the coyote come from
Put my hands in my pocket and run like this. It's cold.
This is what I'm talking about.
There's a lot of dookie turtles around here. Dookie pellets. And we out in this open field. They in distance.
Somebody was over here walking that kid.
Look at those two. Oh shit, what's these holes? Where are these holes?
Coyote. We got.
I'm fucking cold. I'm about to go. I'm not going to get my fucking wood.
You scary.
See, look where these two at.
We'll go back and tell them we'll be back then. Go back and tell them we'll be back. Somebody got ate. We see some shoes, man. That means somebody got ate by the coyote out here. Look at that shoe. Old boy Bobby then got
Damn.
by the coyote.
I'm about to go. I'm going. I'm going back. I'm not going over there.
Dookie.
We almost at the final spot.
Let's go all the way down there.
No.
train tracks, man.
I like you.
This cracking.
Wanna go deeper?
That stuff covering it.
Do I got a trick on my face right here?
Your face cream. That's why you put you powder. Your teeth powder.
And alright, man, I'll get back to you on another part.